It's December. The year is almost over. But did you know that many companies choose this time of the year to announce layoffs? Well, I'm Tran. I'm an employment lawyer here in Houston, Texas. And here's why I think some companies choose Thanksgiving, Christmas time, maybe near the New Year's to announce mass layoffs. The reason why is low friction. And I'll explain. When you have a mass layoff announcement right around Thanksgiving or Christmas time or the end of the year, many people who are being laid off receive a severance package. And it's very tempting to say, let's go into the holiday with a paycheck. So they're going to take that 1 or 2 week severance check just to hold them over for the holidays and then worry about finding a new job afterwards. No one is going to be thinking, let's go hire a lawyer, challenge this layoff, whether or not I should have been fired or part of this layoff. When Christmas or Thanksgiving or the holidays right around the corner, most people are just trying to get by. And so as a result, there's low friction. Now, my suggestion as an employment lawyer is you gotta weigh it very carefully on your savings, whether or not you have the financial wherewithal to withstand going without a paycheck or severance agreement as you enter the holidays in order to negotiate a better deal or to lawyer up and look into whether or not you have a legitimate employment lawsuit on your hand. Okay, back to work.